Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah. I post new videos every Monday about beauty, skincare, and hair as well. In today's video, I will show you my top 7 makeup products from Amazon. Now, during this current situation with the coronavirus and the fact that everybody is stuck at home, one of the easiest way and safer way to get supplies and makeup is through Amazon, because they will, you have all the products there, just order and you will receive them right at your front door. And one of the best products that I love, that I use all the time, is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel in the color medium brown. This is the one that I'm using right now. It's super easy to apply. It comes with a applicator like this, which I don't use. I like to use an angle brush. Let me show you. So this is the one that I use, an angle brush, and I will dip in the brush into the product and do my brows. If you would like to see a full tutorial on how I do my brows, check the link in this video, and also I will put it on the description below. So this is my favorite product from Amazon, makeup related, okay, for my brows. Second product that I've been enjoying a lot is the Covergirl trublend concealers. These guys are very pigmented, are full coverage, and I bought 3 shades. I bought the darker shade, which is in the color golden amber, similar to my skin tone. I use this one to conceal first. After that, I use the lighter shade in the color warm nude to brighten my under eye and my T-zone. And I use the color cappuccino to contour my face. Sometimes this is the only thing that I wear. I don't wear foundation at all. I use these 3 products to do my face, and it really gives me a nice coverage, and it lasts me all day. Also, I have a tutorial how to use these products. If you're interested, check it out. And this Covergirl has their foundation, which is this one here. It's also a full coverage matte finish, long wearing also. The only thing that I like it. The only thing the foundation is darker than the actual concealer. So apparently they have the same number, the same colors, the same shade, so they complement each other. But the foundation is way too dark. Right now I'm a little bit more pale. I will probably use this foundation during the summertime when I get more tan, but for now this is not good for me. But the concealer in that shade is perfect for me, because it has a little bit of a yellow undertone, which is great to conceal any dark circles that you may have. So every time that you're looking to buy a concealer, it's always good to buy one that is similar to your skin tone, or even a little bit darker if you have dark under eye circles, and with some yellow on it to really help you control that discoloration. Next product is the LA Girl correctors. I have 2 of them, the green and the orange. These ones, I used to use them a lot before I find out the Covergirl concealers. The concealer that I was using previously from Maybelline, it wasn't full coverage and I wasn't very happy. I always needed to add the orange corrector first and then add a regular concealer to help me neutralize that discoloration and dark circles under my eye. But since I started using these concealers, I haven't touched these ones anymore. But it's always good to have them. Why? Especially if you have some pigmentations, like dark circles, or you have dark marks on your skin. Using an orange corrector will help you neutralize that darkness, and when you apply your foundation, it won't show through. And the green is good when you have redness. Let's say that you have a rosacea or that you have some pimples. You can always use a little bit of the green before your foundation to help you neutralize that color. These products are very pigmented, so a little goes a long way, so be careful with these ones. My next product is Maybelline mascara. Currently I'm using this one here, the Total Temptation Deep Cocoa mascara. This is not waterproof and is in the color brown. Why brown? Brown for me is softer. It gives you a more natural look, and when I'm going out, I usually use black, but for my everyday and just to make me look, you know, a little bit more put together, I like to use brown, like for a regular basics, and it really makes my lashes look longer and fuller. The one that I was using previously from Maybelline too, the Great Lash Mascara in very, very black waterproof, I felt that it was hard for me to remove from my lashes, and they were just clumping together, and I felt like I was losing my lashes, but it just was the product was sitting there. I couldn't remove it, so the lashes were stick together. But now that I switched to this like regular mascara, I can see my lashes again. They look more long and more separated, and it's easier for me to remove. So I don't have to rub my eyes hard, and it's softer. So I really enjoy this, and this color in particular, the brown. Okay, moving on. Something that another makeup product that I really enjoy is the Morphe palette. And this one here is the 35O. I will show you how it looks like. So this is the full palette. So you have plenty of colors to play with. So you have your shimmery colors, you have your more matte colors, you have darker colors, you have more orangey and earth tone colors. This palette is very versatile. You can use it for the day, you can use it for the night. You can create so many looks, and because you have the mattes and the shimmery colors, is very useful to have. So you can buy them also at Amazon, .ca or .com, and this is one of my favorite palettes. So because basically this is the only palette that you need. You don't need anything else. Okay, this is for you to know. If you're a makeup artist, or even for regular people, if you're looking for a good quality powder, setting powder, I have this one. I found it on Amazon as well, the RCMA No Color Powder. This color was created by a professional makeup artist, and most makeup artists use it, especially when they work on like commercials, editorials, because it gives the skin a very nice finish when the camera hits the makeup. So if you are somebody who likes to take pictures and selfies, and you want a nice finish on your skin, this is a good product and it lasts a long time. And you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Don't apply too much because you're gonna get flashback. Just be cautious and apply as needed, okay? And the last product that I will mention today is this NYX matte finish setting spray. This little guy is very powerful. Especially I like to use them during the summertime when you tend to get more sweaty and it's more humid. This product is very, very good, and it's not very expensive. It's very affordable. So by spraying this all over your face, it will control the shine and it will keep your face looking matte. And also helps keep the makeup throughout the day. So a little setting spray goes a long way and is very useful. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you can get some idea of some products, makeup products that you can buy on Amazon. Also, if you would like to learn how I created this look, you can check out my Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. I posted a IG on my IGTV, a tutorial on this look. Very easy to do. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumb up if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.